it's Sweetie Pie and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? I am Melissa, aka Sweetie Pie, aka Melissa, and I'm so sorry if you see sparkles in the screen. It's because I have been trying to use this Artist Couture Cocoa Bling Diamond Glow Powder, and it hasn't been working out as well for me. But anyway, guys, if you've ever been to one of my Shop My Stashes, we pretty much will just talk about some of the stuff I had in last week. So if you do not want to hear that, go to the timestamp that is right here, and that will bring you to my current Shop My Stash where you guys can take a look at my collection, all that. If you've seen these before, this is nothing new to you, but we go through my collection and pick some of the stuff that I would like to use this week. I do them every single week. I do them on Mondays. They're always uploaded on Mondays, so subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and let's get into this Shop My Stash. Alright guys, so the stuff that I had this week, I had a ton of just my Project Pan stuff this week, and I need to do an update soon because a lot of this stuff I am using up like crazy. A couple new things to my collection is first this Milani blush in Tea Rose. I've never had one of these Milani blushes, and I am on a low/no buy right now, so I haven't bought anything for about a week. I just bought this on what, Saturday. I did laundry and things did not work out so well, so of course I caved and bought a blush. But I've never tried these, and everybody says they're beautiful. I'm wearing it today, and I think it was so pretty. So, you know, it's a low buy. I did buy the 10th anniversary Kat Von D palette, as well as something that was on sale that I really wanted to try. It's the Cover FX Cream Contouring Palette. I did buy those two things. I won't be buying much more. Me and my husband are getting a new car. It's going to be substantially a lot, and I'm going to have a lot to pay. So if you guys have any, like, you know, questions, or you want me to do videos, tags, all that kind of stuff, make sure you give me a you know, because I'm going to be coming up with a lot of creative videos, you know, in the next few months. Alright, so we do have the two hard candy palettes. That is going out this week. I will be doing a full review on these, so subscribe if you're new, and yeah, this will be out really soon. Let's see, the Kat Von D brow products, I did a review on this as well, and you guys need to check it out. This is so cool. Like, these Brow Struck powders are one of the most innovative things I've had in a very, very long time, and I love it. I love it. I've used it every day since I bought it. Another few things that are like kind of brand new to me that I bought on the VIB sale are the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, still trying it out, and also the Too Faced Peach Mist, as well as the Peach Powder. I want to do a full review on this kit, but I'm just not quite ready to do it yet. There was something else. Oh, yes. The Peach Cool Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. It went really well with the Hourglass Primer, which I had in this week as well. I am reviewing this as well this week, so stay tuned for that. I think I've got a handle on this. It's been about 3 weeks. I've worn it pretty consecutively. I've mixed it with a foundation and found, you know, some things out, so look for that this week as well. And then the rest of it is really just my Project Pan stuff. Oh, I also got the Sheer Envy Coconut Water Primer Stick. I love this. One of my absolutely beautiful subscribers, Carrie, if you're watching this, I love you. She actually, she recommended this to me, and it is great. It's kind of a pore filling but cooling primer that you just go all over your face. If you have acne, make sure you are wiping off the cap. I always have like a cloth or, you know, even just a makeup wipe near me when I'm doing my foundation and everything in the morning, so I just kind of wipe it off a little bit. Alright, I did use the ColourPop Supernova Shadow in Mothership. Loved it, and I think that's really all we need to talk about right now. I do have one other, like the Hard Candy Blush. I'm going to put that back this week. I've got a really good handle on this, and I think I'm going to discuss that when I do the palette. And what else do we got? I think I'm going to keep the Sephora palette in here. I do want to do a review on this one, as well as a re-review of the other 3 that I have, kind of like a re-look at it, since they are still available on Sephora. So look out for that as well. I'm going to keep that in here. Anyway, oh, one last thing. I don't like this mascara. I just don't. The Troublemaker mascara, I just don't like it. I don't think it does enough for I like voluminous lashes, and this just is not giving it to me. It's not giving it to me. And I love the packaging. The oil slick is so cute and everything, but it's not a mascara for me. It's way too pokey. The wand is so kind of odd and pokey. I'm not into it. I'm going to do a review soon of like a bunch of different mascaras, high-end mascaras, and this is definitely, I'm just going to keep it into my collection. Until then, I'd like to take some pictures, yada yada yada. Anyway, let's get into the Shop My Stash part. If you were waiting for this, hey, hi, how are you? Let's get into it. Alright guys, so we have a little bit of craziness going on here, but let's just get into it. So I have a lot. I know exactly what I'm going to pick this week, and I'm also going to put back this NYX Ultimate Brights because I think I know what eyeshadows I'm going to use this week until I get the Kat Von D one at least. You know what? I am going to put in this one in Brulee just because I don't think I have a shade like that, and that'll take care of the singles. I'm doing lots of kind of colorful looks this week, so I'm going to throw in both of these ColourPop. This one is in Prance, and the green one is in Teaspoon. I feel like my voice is a little weird today. Alrighty then, let's just get that weird voice out of here. Look at all the concealers, like, oh my gosh. Well, should I throw in this? My conceal, or I put these somewhere else. Anyway, I am going to go in with this concealer this week. I really actually like this one a lot. This is the Photo Focus Concealer. It's not as good as like the ColourPop or my Holy Grail Tarte, but it is good. I like it. And, you know, for a work week, I need to start wearing a little bit lighter makeup because it's the summer. Ooh, I'm going to put some Stilas in here, and I'm just going to put some neutral colors in, just so when I do a really colorful look, I can just throw those kind of on the lid, and it will be, like, really pretty. And I want to go for some dewy skin this week. I never end up using these when I put them in there, though. It's so weird. You know what? I'm going to go with this. This is the Perfect Gleam by Annabelle. I love this stuff for mixing in foundations, and let's just dive into foundation right here. You know what? I'm going to use my tried and true. This is the Superstay Better Skin. I love this. It's a little bit dark for me, but with powder and whatnot, it'll be fine. And you know what? I'm going to throw in, I've got to use these up. This is the Cover FX Power Play. I have 2 of these. I did a review on it. I will put it up in the cards. I think they'd make a pretty good match. So, and this will like lighten this color a little bit. It'll be better. I'm going to be tan soon anyways. And I haven't used this in a while, and I want to use it. This is the Spotlight. Ooh. You know what? What I'm going to do is take that Tried and True out. Sorry, Tried and True. I have not used this that much ever since I reviewed it. See, it's literally like starting to sink down like this. I'm going to use this, and then I'll also use this Spotlight. That'll give me a beautiful glow, and then I can mix it in if I would like to a little bit. Let's close that one. Alright, so now we've got like bronzers, powders, all that goods, and I know that that is a very dewy foundation, so I'm going to go in with the Fit Me powder, and I have the peach powder that I want to use some more, so that's all we're going to do for powders. And then for, should I do this? I like this quite a bit. Like the powder on this side can be a little bit dark if you're not careful, but this bronzer is absolutely phenomenal. You know what? I'm just going to throw in this little baby Hoola. And I have the Hoola light, but I just don't know where it went. Oh, here it is. Ooh, careful. So yeah, I'm going to throw in the Hoola and the Hoola light because I do want to work on my Project Pan bronzer. It's getting so close, and I'm getting so excited. As blush, I do have the Clinique one and the Milani one and the Hard Candy one as well. So we're going to keep all of those in. I know I said I wanted to get rid of the Hard Candy one, but I also have these blushes I want to do some more trying on. So I really don't need any more blushes. Ooh, my favorite drawer. I want to use this again, but I already have so much of it out right now. Oh! All right, so let's go over highlighters that I have in here. There's 3 highlighters in this palette. Then I have the Fenty one, the Artist Couture, which I'm trying so hard to like. And let's go for a little bit more subtle one. Where is... I am looking for my Essence highlighter. That's odd. Well, we will replace the Essence highlighter with this one. I know I have that one. Where is it? With the nude one from Physicians Formula. It's just a really basic highlighter. So, you know, on days that I go to work and I'm like, no, not going on. All right, so sorry about the sniffle. Can't help it. Let's just pick a brow pencil and move on, since I'm definitely going to be using my Kat Von D, but I like to have a spoolie with me. This one's the Wet n Wild one, so we'll just throw that one in. That one's a new one. And then the palettes I'm going to use, where did I put, right here. So I really want to do, I have about 5 of the Juvia's Place palettes. I want to do a full-on swatch fest of all of the palettes. If you're interested, make sure you like this video. The Zulu and the Masquerade Mini are the ones I'm going to use this week. I like the Zulu because it's mostly matte. So pretty. As I said, we're going colorful. And I have the Ultimate Brights palette from NYX over there. The Creme Brulee shade, or Brulee shade from Wet n Wild. And then, of course, the Masquerade palette, which has some neutrals at the bottom, if I so choose. Okay, guys, well, that is the Shop My Stash this week. I hope you enjoyed it, and let's go to Melissa in the future. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so very much. I hope you enjoyed my Shop My Stash. As usual, I am getting warm in this room, and I have 3 more videos to film, so that should be fun. All right, wish me luck. I love you guys so much, and have a great, wonderful day, night, evening, whatever, wherever you are. Mwah. I love you guys. Bye.